What? Homework? That just sounds terrible. You have a thing on your lip.
What is it? Gum?
Missy hair. Good job. It's the right mind. This is my personal bad. Does that stench make you cough? That stench made her cough.
Is it filming?